Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy. Today we're taking a look at the Cadbury Egg cocktail because it's Easter time and the adults need something to drink to help survive all the crying, fighting, and screaming that comes along with an Easter egg hunt.
These are mine! Get away from me!
To build the Cadbury Egg cocktail, you'll start with 1 ounce of condensed milk. I do recommend using a little mini spatula because you want all of this for the sugary goodness in the cocktail, but it doesn't come out of a shot glass all that neatly. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of vanilla vodka, half an ounce of white creme de cocoa, and 2 ounces of milk. Cap that off into a shaker tin full of ice and give it a quick shake. Pour into a chocolate rimmed glass with a bit of ice. And garnish with a Cadbury Creme egg. And easy as that, you have the Cadbury Egg cocktail. It's a pretty straightforward flavor profile of just chocolate, vanilla, and cream, which is what you would expect in a dessert cocktail. So not exactly gonna light the world on fire, but if you're looking for a really tasty dessert cocktail, you found what you need for Easter. Cheers for Drinks Made Easy.